Grow a Garden, a recipe for the patient-hearted. Hello everyone. Today, I'm not here to teach you how to make pumpkin soup or a three-layer lasagna. I'm not going to talk about technology, economics, or existential philosophy either. I just want to share a recipe. A recipe where the main ingredients are soil, seeds, sunlight, and a soul that still believes in good things. That recipe is how to grow a garden. Step 1. Plant. Not just an action, but an act of hope. Planting a seed is like sending a "Hey, how have you been?" text to an old friend you used to care about. You're not sure if they'll reply, but you do it anyway, because somewhere deep down, you believe in second chances. When you place a seed into the soil, you're placing trust into what you cannot see, that beneath the surface, life is getting ready to rise. Step 2. Water. Daily, not just because the seed needs it, but because you do. You can water your plant with water or with belief. And soon you'll realize, it's not just the plant that grows from that ritual, it's you. Every time you kneel down to water the soil, you're practicing patience, attention, and a kind of love that expects nothing in return. You'll learn that not everything you care for will bloom, but you must care for it anyway, because that's what keeps your heart soft and real. Step 3. Wait, because time never rushes. Here's the strange thing. When you stare at a plant, it almost never seems to grow. But when you look away, live your life, and come back a few weeks later, something's changed. People are the same. We don't transform in noise or pressure. We grow in silence, slowly, while no one is watching. The result, a garden, or perhaps a new version of you. You might harvest mint, tomatoes, or simply a green space that makes your heart feel quiet. But more importantly, you'll harvest yourself, a version of you that's more patient, more observant, and more understanding of this truth. Good things take time. You can't rush them. You can't force them. And no, you definitely can't speed them up with 5G. And if you fail, maybe the seeds won't sprout. Maybe pests get there first. Maybe you forgot to water them because Netflix just dropped a new season. It's okay. You'll plant again. The soil doesn't judge you. It just waits for you to try again. Growing a garden is a strange kind of recipe. There's no stove, no flames, just time, trust, and tenderness. And sometimes, in a chaotic world, that little patch of green is the one place you can come home to, breathe deeply, and smile.